I am finally coming home to the Philippines tomorrow, January 26 at 1:30 p.m. arriving at NAIA Terminal 1. And even though my children who are based here in Vietnam already know that I am coming home tomorrow, they still keep surprising me with gifts. And of course, each one means so much to me, but this one is really special and cute. So I'm going to show you. So as you can see, this is the paper bag and it says Chelsea Yay Tong. It means Chelsea cute. This is my favorite word, Yay Tong. And this is my face. I think this is a chicken. And this is Abyang. Abyang is one of my cute nicknames. And this gift is from Pang. Thank you, baby shark. So there's another gift, but I'm not going to show you because this one is the one that I am going to show you. Diba ang cute? May mga mukha ko, tapos nakalagay na Abyang. So, may another paper bag inside the paper bag. So, ito yon, ang cute. And as you can see, very effort talaga because she made this handle and may nakalagay na Lero Lilelole. And another one is Lovely. It's also my nickname. And dito naman nakalagay yung name niya. Ako si Pang. Again, Pang is Vietnamese but still every letter that's sometimes written in English and also in Filipino. So these are the gifts. Again, this gift is not for me. Okay? These gifts are for my children who are going to the airport tomorrow. And thank you so much, Pam, for your time, for your effort, for your generosity. I appreciate you so much, and also to all my children who are constantly giving me gifts. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I cannot wait to go back to the Philippines tomorrow. I cannot wait to see all of you. I cannot wait to hug all of you. And yeah, I'm just so excited. So see you all tomorrow. Again, may gifts kayo from Pang. Mwah.
So mga kapolitika, inyo pong napanood itong si Chelsea Fernandez na kung saan ay binalita niya yung kanyang muling pagbabalik dito sa Pilipinas matapos ang kanyang laban dito sa Miss Cosmo 2025. So ngayong hapon po 1:30 p.m. ay dumating na po itong si Chelsea Fernandez dito sa NAIA Terminal 1 para salubungin ang kanyang mga supporters. So wala pa lang po tayong nakikitang mga clip or mga videos mga kapolitika ng pagsalubong dito kay Chelsea Fernandez. But siguro later today is magkakaroon ng press conference itong si Chelsea together with the pageant supporters. At yun ang ating inaabangan na kung saan ay muli nating makita si Chelsea Fernandez bilang first runner-up ng Miss Cosmo 2025. So, according dito sa official announcement ng Miss Cosmo organization, official announcement, homecoming schedule runner-up Miss Cosmo 2025 Chelsea Fernandez. Miss Cosmo organization is pleased to share the official homecoming schedule of Chelsea Fernandez as she returns to the Philippines for a meaningful journey across Manila and Sultan Kudarat, celebrating her inspiring journey, service, and national pride. So ito yung mga schedule niya mga kapolitika sa kanyang pamamalagi dito sa Pilipinas until February 2. So January 26 ay arrival niya dito sa Manila or sa NAIA International Airport. Arrival and airport salubong with media, dinner with Jag and Sir Pao. January 27 to 29, Sultan Kudarat courtesy call with the governor, homecoming parade, charity hospital visit, provincial tour and photo shoot. And then sa January 30 naman ay balik sa Maynila itong si Chelsea para sa TV5 guesting, homecoming parade, media dinner. January 30, Manila activity with Smile Train. February 1, return to Vietnam. So napakabilis lang mga kapolitika at parang 5 days lang siya na mamamalagi dito sa Pilipinas. Siguro ay ganun talaga ka-busy ang mga schedule ni Chelsea na naghihintay doon sa Vietnam, kung kaya ay talagang 5 days lang siya at then babalik uli siya doon sa Vietnam. But no worries, kasi yung mga pamilya ni Chelsea Fernandez ay sabi niya dadalhin niya daw sa March dito sa sa Vietnam para makapag-bakasyon, kasi sabi niya pwede naman daw tumuloy doon sa sa lugar or sa venue kung saan ay nanunuluyan itong si Chelsea Fernandez sa isang mamahaling hotel. So pwede yung kanyang pamilya doon. More exciting activities and meaningful moments are coming up throughout Chelsea's homecoming journey. We look forward to everyone's love, support, and warm welcome as she continues to make the Philippines proud. So yun yung sabi ng Miss Cosmo page dito sa homecoming ni Chelsea Fernandez, pagbabalik sa Pilipinas dahil sa karangalan na kanyang ibinigay sa ating bansa. So naghihintay tayo sa mga video clip, mga kapolitika, at yung press conference ni Chelsea Fernandez ngayong araw dito, dahil siya I believe nandito na siya sa Pilipinas, hindi lang muna siya nagpapakita sa publiko. Okay? So yun mga kapolitika, kayo po ba excited na makita itong si Chelsea? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Mga mahal kong mga kababayan, sa wakas ay uuwi na rin po ako. So I will be departing 9:30 a.m. from Tan Son Nhat Airport, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and arriving in the Philippines at 1:30 p.m. Philippine time at NAIA Terminal 1. This is truly a celebration and I would be so happy and honored to see you all there, of course, for a warm airport salubong. And I cannot wait to see all of your beautiful faces dahil sobrang na-miss ko po kayong lahat. And of course, to finally feel the comfort of home again. My heart is overflowing with gratitude, excitement, and of course, happy tears. Muli ako po si Chelsea Fernandez, Miss Cosmo 2025 runner-up, and maraming salamat po sa inyong pagmamahal at suporta. Kita-kits sa airport!